In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Perplexity AI API key. If you're building an app or a workflow that relies on Perplexity's models, you'll need an API key to authenticate your requests. Here's exactly how to get it, step by step, with a few tips to keep things smooth and secure. First, open the official Perplexity website in your browser. Make sure you're on the real site and connected over a secure connection. You should see the lock icon in your address bar. Once you're on the home page and in your account, look toward the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it to open your account menu. From that menu, find the section labeled API and click it. This takes you to the developer area where all API-related options live. Inside the API area, choose API keys. At this point, Perplexity typically requires credits before it will let you create or view an API key. If you see a message saying you need to buy more credits, that's expected. Click the prompt to add a payment method. You may see a button that says something like Enter Payment Method. Go ahead and select that. When the payment window opens, choose the card option. Carefully enter your card details exactly as they appear with your bank, including the billing address if requested. Only enter this information on the official Perplexity payment form. Never share card details elsewhere. If your bank uses additional verification, follow any on-screen prompts to complete it. After you've saved your payment method, proceed to add credits as prompted. Confirm the purchase so your account is funded and ready for API access. Once your payment method is set and credits are active, return to the API keys page. You should now see the option to get your API key. This is the credential your software will use to talk to Perplexity's services. Treat it like a password, keep it private, don't post it publicly, and avoid pasting it into screenshots or videos. If you ever suspect it's been exposed, replace it through the same API keys page. That's it. You opened the Perplexity website, went to your profile, navigated to the API section, addressed the credits requirement by adding a payment method and purchasing credits, and then access at the page where your API key becomes available. With your key ready, you can move on to integrating Perplexity into your project, confident that your account is set up correctly and securely.